Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to put lines crossing at zero. So I have a table here. So I will draw a line chart for this table values. Come here and select the line chart. Okay. Then reward cost x-axis and reward effectiveness y-axis. Okay guys. So line chart has come here, but there are no lines crossing at zero. So it's very difficult to understand which are going to negative, which are going to positive, which points are at which coordinates and all. Okay. So my requirement is how to put these lines like one is at vertical 0 and one is at horizontal 0. So I want to put these lines. So let's do how to do it in Power BI. Okay. So select the line chart and go to analysis to visual. Okay, and here x-axis constant line. Okay, add line, right? So dashed I will select solid and add line at 0. Okay, similarly for y-axis add line. Okay, solid, selected 0. Okay guys, so like this you can add lines crossing at 0. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing Power BI videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.